Hi, I'm Dr. Jack Kunkel, PhD, Certified Alternative Medicine Practitioner. What natural medicine does is we work with MDs in the community, and what we like to do is synergistically help any type of condition. What we don't want to do is diagnose. What we want to do is allow your body to heal itself naturally. And over the last 18 months, I've had the privilege to work with hundreds of doctors on how to reduce cellular inflammation for people. And what that means is cellular inflammation is the root cause of every disease, period. And if you look up any disease, it's caused by inflammation. But a lot of times people don't understand how to quell the inflammation. And in order to quell the inflammation, it starts at a cellular level. So I'm able to use different techniques in order to get specifically to the cell. And when you heal the cell, you get well. There's three things that cause inflammation at a cellular level. The number one thing by far is toxins. So we got to be able to get the toxins out of your body. The key is getting the toxins out of your brain. That's number one. The other thing we do is we have to control the type of sugar that's going in your body, so controlling your blood sugar level. And the third thing we want to do is give you a kind of an oil change. We want to change the types of fats that you're eating so your cells can receive messages again. Everybody's nutrition plan is going to be completely different depending on their health status, depending on their genes. I actually have a test called Meta-Oxy that is 50 times more powerful than blood work that I do here. It's a urinalysis. We do VCS testing, and I'm able to determine the type of cellular inflammation and a broad spectrum of different toxins that could be causing the illness. Lifestyle is absolutely critical, but you have to fit it into somebody's lifestyle. The key is I sit down with people. The first consultation is an hour and a half long. I understand, and I'm able to customize so many different pieces within their lifestyle. You know, whether it's changing their morning routine so they set themselves up for wins all day, changing the nutrition, but making sure it's things that they like to eat, making sure it's that they have the time to prepare it so it's convenient. You know, there's a lot more than just saying, take this supplement, take this medication. That's not going to help somebody. So everything really comes down to individuality and customizing it specific. You also have to be able to assist them to getting out of the negative mindset that we are in tune to. So we're genetically programmed to have a negative mindset. I use a plethora of different techniques. I'm also certified in Neuro-Linguistic programming. Neuro-Linguistic programming goes directly to the root cause and helps you shift your mindset. Once you get out of that mindset, boy, better things are going to happen for you. So it's a combination of several different treatments, whether we're using Eastern, Western medicine, whether you're using neuro-linguistic programming, nutrition on a very deep level, or we're really detoxing or reducing the cellular inflammation. There's a program that'll assist anybody. I have a lot of experience in weight loss resistance, digestive issues, anxiety issues. I've worked with a lot of cardiac patients and cancer patients. I'm here to assist people to get healthy. And what I found over the years is certain pieces help, but when you put all the pieces together, that's when the magic happens. But it's a practice. It's not something that happens overnight, but if you put a little work into it and we could weave it into your lifestyle, that's when you heal yourself permanently. Don't just take my word for it, see what other people are saying about this program.
When you think about something as important as one's health, it's critical that you have somebody in your corner who's caring and knowledgeable to guide you along the way. Jack is both of those things.
The energy level that I gained was fantastic. I have 2 young children. I work full time. I stopped feeling sluggish in the middle of the day. I stopped chugging coffee all day.
He's helped me in a number of ways, specifically with digestive issues, gotten me off meds that doctors had prescribed that in the long run can't possibly do me any good, could possibly do me harm, and found natural replacements.
He helped create a plan for me, an individualized plan for me, and here we are a year later. I'm in the best shape of my life. I know how to eat. I continually strive to learn more from him every day. But the fact that I now know this information, the nutrition, how to eat healthy, how to be well, and I'm sharing it with my family and my children, that to me is worth more than gold.
We started together at 260 pounds, and almost 4 years later, I've maintained a weight loss of 60 pounds. I currently weigh around 200 to 205 pounds and have been able to maintain that weight during these last few years.
Give it a try. I wake up in the morning feeling phenomenal. I think it would just improve your overall demeanor. I walk around smiling now, I walk around happy.
Hi, my name is John Romanow. I'm 66 years old and I've been following Jack's programs for about 10 years and have been able to sustain my health and well-being. Now with Jack being a doctor of natural medicine, it could only get better.
For the past 10 weeks, I have lost 11 pounds and I've lost 4¼ inches off of my waist and 2 inches off of my hips.
Success is measured by what works, and this is what worked for me.